when someone you love hurts you. How to transform your pain instead of destroying yourself. Have you ever been so deeply hurt by someone you love that you do anything, just to make the pain stop? But instead of finding relief, you end up making things worse. Maybe it started with an argument that left you shattered, and before you knew it, you were comfort eating your way through a mountain of junk food, only to wake up feeling sick, sluggish, and furious at yourself for wrecking your healthy habits. Or maybe you swiped your credit card recklessly, convincing yourself that retail therapy was the answer until the gut-wrenching moment you saw your bank statement. Or perhaps you drowned your sorrows in a bottle seeking numbness, only to wake up the next day with regret pounding in your skull like a relentless drumbeat. But what if I told you there was another way? A way to feel your pain without letting it destroy you. Here's the truth. Pain is energy. Emotion is energy. And energy can be transformed. Instead of escaping it, what if you channeled it? Imagine taking all that raw, burning heartbreak and turning it into something powerful, something that moves people. Think about the world's most unforgettable songs, breathtaking art, and soul-stirring poetry. They were all born from deep emotions: love, betrayal, heartbreak, even rage. You see, pain is universal. No matter who we are, where we come from, or what we believe, we have all felt the sting of emotional wounds. It's what connects us. We are, after all, spinning together on this giant rock called Earth, trying to make sense of it all. So instead of running from your pain, what if you honored it? What if you used it, not to destroy yourself, but to create something extraordinary? Let's explore how you can do just that. Turn your pain into power. 5 ways to rise from heartbreak, like a phoenix. Face the fire. Don't run from it. Pain isn't your enemy. Running from it is. Pain isn't chasing you. It's waiting for you. You can drown it in food, swipe your card until your debt suffocates you, or binge watch your way into numbness. But pain is patient. It doesn't vanish. It lingers, festering in the cracks of your soul, growing stronger while you grow weaker. The truth is, pain doesn't fade when ignored. It festers, it grows, it controls you while you try to numb yourself with empty distractions. So stop, turn around, face it like the warrior you were born to be. Scream, cry, write a letter you'll never send. Let yourself feel every raw, gut-wrenching emotion, because only then will you see the truth. Pain was never here to break you. It was here to build you. Once you survive the storm, you'll realize you don't break, you get stronger. Turn your heartbreak into a masterpiece. What if your pain became your greatest asset? Some of the world's most powerful businesses, books, and breakthroughs were born from struggle. Why? Because pain fuels purpose. Instead of letting it weigh you down, use it to propel you forward. Start the business you've been dreaming of. Write the blog, book, or start the podcast that's waiting to change lives. Sculpt the strongest version of yourself in the gym, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Your heartbreak can be the fire that ignites your next level. So ask yourself, what's your pain teaching you? Will you let it define you? Or will you use it to build something extraordinary? Rewrite the story. Make yourself the heroine. Stop asking, why me? And start asking, what's this preparing me for? Every betrayal, every setback, every shattered dream, these aren't just obstacles, they're lessons, carving you into a force that cannot be stopped. You're not defined by your pain, you're being forged by it. Each challenge is shaping you into someone unstoppable. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a warrior, rising stronger with every battle. Own your story. Embrace your power and turn your scars into the blueprint for your legacy. Are you ready to step into your greatness? Your story is waiting to be written. Cut out the poison. Protect your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. Misery thrives on company, and there are people who will keep you stuck in your pain just so they don't have to face their own. But here's the truth. You are not obligated to carry their weight. Guard your space fiercely. Protect your energy like it's your most precious possession. Surround yourself with people who see your strength, who lift you higher, not those who drag you deeper into the darkness. If it doesn't bring you peace, it doesn't belong in your life. Let go of the toxic and make room for what fuels your growth. Who are you choosing to stand beside on this journey? Reinvent yourself. Become a woman. They won't recognize. Let your pain be the spark that ignites your transformation. Don't just heal, evolve. Take that trip you've been putting off. Change your look. Shift your mindset. Invest in yourself like you're your own greatest project. This is your moment to become the version of you that's untouchable. One day, the same people who tried to break you will look at you and realize they didn't just lose you, they lost someone irreplaceable. The woman you've become will be too powerful, too unstoppable for them to ever get back. Are you ready to become unrecognizable? Because this version of you, she's legendary. No more hiding. No more waiting for someone else to pull you out of the dark. You are the storm, the force that can't be tamed. You are the fire, burning brighter with every challenge. And guess what? You're just getting started. This is your time to rise, to take up space, to unleash everything you've been holding back. No more playing small. The world better watch out, because the woman you're about to become is unstoppable. Are you ready to step into your power? The world will never see another you. You are unique. You are special. You are here on purpose. Now go rise. If this resonated with you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Join the journey and be part of the movement, because you won't want to miss what's coming next.